how to open or log in TikTok account in another phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you at today's Savidai and today let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. If not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, tap on the TikTok application on your device. Now here you can see the profile over here where it says you can log into TikTok via using your phone, email or username, or continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with Twitter. Now if you already have an account, you can select any of these options, but if you do not, you can just directly tap on the sign up. Now if I want to log in or open the TikTok account in another phone, I'm going to tap on continue with Google for now. As I tap on continue with Google, it will give me the options of different Google accounts that I have on my device, and I'm going to select on this account. And as I tap on this account of continue with Google, it will now land me into the new page over here. Now it can just show me that I have logged into my account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.